You were born to be real, not to be perfect. If somebody needs you to be perfect, then that person is chasing you out of his or her life. Just be real. Try to follow rules, but at the end of it all, be real. Be who you are. But your being real should conform with the constitution of your country. The choice of the music that you love, the choice of the movies that you like, your hobbies, whether you like basketball or soccer, whether you like Ronaldo or Messi, they are all yours. Nobody should influence you because you are the best version of yourself.